Thank you, sir. We had this guy last time. Mind-blowing stuff. What is this? I walked into. I'm a stone, and they even give me a shit. Oh, that is serious. Welcome to Stockport Road in Manchester. That there is Royal Nawab's, and this is your official preview. Welcome to Stockport Road, and welcome to Royal Nawab's. Let's go on in and check out the mental buffet served by this organisation. Let's do this. Welcome to Royal Nawab's inside. Behind me is the monster buffet I'll be showing you in a bit. Right, check with the venue because most of the time place is heaving. It's always rammed out. There's loads of people around. But worst case scenario, right, you're gonna have to wait half an hour, 45 minutes to be seated at a table. Let me run you through some prices. You're talking about 22 quid for an adult, and children between 4 and 10 is about £11. Right. It may seem a lot, but the quality of the food and the quantity that you can get, right, is definitely a lot for your money. Take your time. It's a buffet. No need to go at it in one go. Take your time, about an hour or so, right, and try to see what we can do, right. I think without further ado, it's time for me to show you the buffet. Absolutely heaving, right? Just to get into the buffet itself, I'm having to queue up. Let me show you around. Come on. Guys, I'm out trying to discover new food places. Do not forget to hit the like, subscribe and the bell icon. Here comes the rest of your video. Selection just on the salad is ridiculous. You don't get that on a buffet. There's normally 2 or 3 salads, and that's the maximum. I've got a little bit of barbecue, I've got some chutney, I've got a little bit of salad going on. Let's try it. Have a look at this. First up, right, look at these kebabs. I really like them because they made them really, really small instead of massive ones. Look at that selection of salad. Let's have a try this. Then we got the chicken, the barbecue chicken. I mean, this green chutney really complements it so well. Oh, I dropped my olive. Let's go. One more. batter chip, right? Batter chips. There's something to this bad boy here. Looks like a chicken kebab. That's what that looks like. Let's have a look at this. The new salad with the parsley. Oh yeah. Look at the selection. And I'm still just on the starter bit here. Well done. A good start over at World Nawab's. Welcome to my Chinese and Pakistani option. Check this out. So I went for pilau rice. I went for this like a Manchurian sauce. I went for this lasagna and then this chicken, which is the Chinese chicken. Let me try the chicken first. Oh yeah. Sweet and sour chicken. No messing about. Oh, mix it up with some pilau rice. Oh yeah. Look at the lasagna. Every single thing so far, right? It's perfect. It's right. Everything they got on the menu, which is a massive menu, they've actually done really well. That's the best thing about the place so far. But there's so much option, so much option. They got pizza for kids. I mean that Chinese. Sweet and sour, right? The lasagna, the pilau rice, the Manchurian sauce. Mix it all up. It should look like that, and then straight in. It's a buffet. You're gonna mix things up. I forgot which round I'm on. I think it's number 3, right? But have a look at this. They've got live cooking stations here. So they got chicken, lamb, minced over there, tak-tak. Remember the tak-tak thing, the whole that thing that makes a noise? So they will actually make that for you while you wait. So let's see if we can get some of that. And then we got chicken liver. We got lamb halim, lamb liari, lamb pie. Can I get chicken, the tak-tak please? Yes please, yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Welcome to tak-tak. Look at this. Remember this, right? This is a minced lamb mixed with chicken and lamb, right? Mixed in a marination on a pan, and the noise it makes is tak-tak, and it's called tak-tak. Oh yeah, I got it down to the teeth. Well done. It's so nice. So creamy. I should be able to eat it with naan bread or by itself. The masalas are right. Oh, look at the green chili on top of that. Now, don't miss this in the buffet, guys, right? Because you got niyari, you got pie, you got the tak-tak. It's all there, but you have to ask for it, okay? Oh, beautiful. Such great use of masala in that. It's not overpowering. I can taste the chicken, I can taste the meat. Right? Really, really good combination. I think it's time for round number 4. Look at this. If a restaurant gets a biryani right, they've nailed it. They just come out the pot straight for it all, yes. Nailed it. Oh yeah. Chicken biryani. Right, I'm still trying to find a fold. I seriously can't find a fold. The rice, the masala, the salt, on every single thing, just down to the tea. That's why it's that busy. That's why when you come in here, you can go to a buffet and maybe pay 10 quid per person, 14 quid per person, 16 quid per person. But I can tell you, the food is not going to be anywhere like this. Yeah, it's a little bit more expensive, but the food you are going to enjoy, the whole family will enjoy. They've got things from pizzas to garlic bread to lasagna to pasta, right? To curries. They got barbecue, they got some salad. So it caters for everybody, right? I'm gonna enjoy my biryani now. And I think it's round number 5 coming up next. Given up. I've gone straight onto desserts. I can't eat anymore. Honestly, there's 136 dishes, not including salad. How the hell are you going to eat all of them? It's not possible. I think I've eaten all the main ones, right? Safe to say, I can move on to desserts. Let me show you this. This is an Egyptian dish. Okay, it's called Ali. Oh yeah. Easiest way to describe this is like butter puffs in milk with sultanas, pistachio, so warming, and they've got it right. I'll show you that one. Gulab Jamun with ice cream. I've got a bit of a different one there. I've gone for a Kulfi ice cream and Gulab Jamun. So you got the warm Gulab Jamun and the cold ice cream. When you get it out, it should look like that. Oh yeah. The cool peanut, the ice coming from the ice cream. Then the warm Gulab Jamun, the soft, hard, cold combination in your mouth. Perfect to finish off any buffet. There you have it. I'm still eating. That's been Royal Nawabs in Manchester. Right, just to clarify, they only have 2 places, London, okay, and Manchester. Anybody else claiming to be Royal Nawabs is a big fake. Right, so behave yourself. You can't match the food and you can't match the quality. Overall, right, it's been really, really good. We're talking about 22 quid. Anybody above 11, we're talking about 22 quid per person. Can I justify the money and the quality of the food? Yeah, 100%. There's so much selection. 136 dishes and then salads. There is no way on God's earth you're going to eat all of them. And then you got from little babies to old age pensioners. Everybody's got something or another they are going to like. But everything we've eaten, I could not fault any of it. That was the best thing about it. You do get some places that, you know, they're really good at chicken curry, but they'll be rubbish at barbecue. Nah. This guy's got every single dish, from the chutneys to the salads, I swear to you, all the way to the desserts. Perfect. really, really perfect. Well done, Raw Nawab. They are busy for a reason. Guys, overall, this is what they are scoring, and you're watching it, right? Carry on watching the big reviews. If you had this right last time, mind-blowing stuff. I walked into, I'm a stone fan, and they didn't even give me a chip. Oh, that is serious.